Kevin Sear is a visionary artist whose work has captivated enthusiasts around the world. His camper designs are not just functional, they're revolutionary. Picture this, a camper unlike anything you've ever seen, not a massive RV or a bulky motorhome, but something that challenges the way we think about mobility, art, and sustainability. Sear's creations are as much about the journey as they are about the destination, offering a unique perspective on how we interact with the spaces around us. What makes Kevin Sear's work so compelling is his ability to blend art and practicality seamlessly. His most famous project, the camper cart, is a perfect example. At first glance, it's an ordinary shopping cart, but closer inspection reveals a fully functional camper. Imagine the creativity and ingenuity it takes to transform something as mundane as a shopping cart into a portable home. The camper cart is not just a piece of art, it's a statement about adaptability and resourcefulness. It forces us to reconsider what's possible with limited resources. This design isn't just for show. The camper cart includes a sleeping area, storage, and even a cooking space, all ingeniously folded into the frame of a shopping cart. It's compact, efficient, and undeniably cool. For those who love the idea of living off the grid or traveling light, it's a dream come true. The beauty of this creation lies in its simplicity. Sear proves that you don't need a large footprint to have a significant impact. Beyond the camper cart, Kevin Sear has explored other innovative camper designs that push the boundaries of what we think of as mobile living. His camper bike is another masterpiece. Picture a traditional cargo bike but with a twist, a camper shell built right onto it. This design takes the concept of a tiny home to a whole new level. The camper bike is perfect for urban explorers and adventurers who want to minimize their environmental impact while still enjoying the freedom of travel. The camper bike's design is as practical as it is artistic. It features a compact living space complete with a bed and storage. Despite its small size, it's surprisingly functional, offering everything you need for a short getaway or even an extended adventure. The idea of pedaling through a bustling city or a serene countryside with your home attached to your bike is nothing short of inspiring. It's a reminder that innovation doesn't always have to come in large packages. Sometimes the best ideas are the ones that fit within the smallest spaces. Kevin Sear's work isn't just about creating portable homes, it's about challenging the status quo. His designs encourage us to think differently about how we live and travel. In a world where bigger often seems better, Sear's work reminds us that small can be powerful. His campers are a celebration of minimalism, creativity, and sustainability. One of the most fascinating aspects of Sear's work is how it intersects with art. Each of his designs is a functional sculpture, blending utility with aesthetic appeal. They're not just tools for survival or travel, they're works of art that tell a story. Sear's creations often reflect themes of mobility, self-reliance, and the human desire to explore. They speak to a universal yearning for freedom and the ability to carve out a space for oneself, no matter where you are. Sear's artistic process is as intriguing as the designs themselves. He starts with a concept, often inspired by everyday objects or experiences. From there, he sketches and refines his ideas, thinking about both form and function. The result is a design that's not only visually striking, but also highly practical. It's a delicate balance that few can achieve, and Sear does it masterfully. The impact of Kevin Sear's work extends far beyond the art and design communities. His creations have sparked conversations about sustainability, urban living, and the future of travel. In an age where environmental concerns are at the forefront, Sear's designs offer a glimpse into a more sustainable way of life. They encourage us to think about how we can do more with less and live in harmony with our surroundings. What sets Sear apart from other designers is his ability to make the extraordinary accessible. His creations aren't just for a select few. They are for anyone who dreams of a simpler, more adventurous way of life. The camper cart and camper bike, for example, are approachable and relatable. They're not overly complex or out of reach. They're designs that anyone can appreciate and aspire to. Kevin Sear's work also resonates because it taps into a sense of nostalgia. His designs often evoke memories of childhood, when imagination knew no bounds and anything seemed possible. Who hasn't dreamed of turning a bike or a cart into something extraordinary? Sears brings those dreams to life in a way that's both playful and profound. While Sears' creations are undeniably innovative, they're also deeply personal. Each design reflects his unique perspective and experiences. They're a testament to his creativity and resourcefulness, as well as his commitment to pushing boundaries. Sears' work is a reminder that great design isn't just about aesthetics or functionality. It's about telling a story and creating something meaningful. Kevin Sears' campers have also inspired a new wave of creativity among other designers and artists. His work serves as a catalyst for innovation, encouraging others to think outside the box and explore new possibilities. Whether it's through DIY projects or professional designs, Sears' influence can be seen in countless creations around the world. One of the most exciting aspects of Kevin Sears' work is its potential for real-world application. His designs aren't just theoretical or conceptual, they're practical and functional. The camper cart, for example, could be a game changer for individuals facing housing insecurity or for those who want to live more sustainably. Similarly, the camper bike offers a viable solution for eco-conscious travelers and urban adventurers. Sears' work also has significant implications for the future of mobility. As cities become more crowded and resources become scarcer, innovative designs like his could play a crucial role in shaping how we live and move. His campers are a glimpse into a future where mobility, sustainability, and creativity come together to create something truly extraordinary. Another remarkable aspect of Kevin Sears' work is its universal appeal. His designs transcend cultural and geographical boundaries, resonating with people from all walks of life. Whether you're an artist, a designer, a traveler, or simply someone who appreciates creativity, there's something in Sears' work for everyone. His campers are a celebration of ingenuity and a testament to the power of human imagination. Kevin Sears' journey as an artist and designer is an inspiration in itself. His dedication to his craft and his willingness to take risks have led to some of the most innovative and thought-provoking designs of our time. Sears' work reminds us that creativity knows no bounds and that the simplest ideas can often have the most significant impact. As we look to the future, Kevin Sears' designs offer a beacon of hope and possibility. They challenge us to think differently about how we live, travel, and interact with the world around us. Sears' campers are more than just functional designs. They're symbols of resilience, creativity, and the human spirit. Kevin Sears' mind-blowing campers are a testament to the power of innovation and imagination. They inspire us to see the world differently and to dream of new possibilities. Whether you're a fan of art, design, or simply the idea of living life on your own terms, Sears' work is sure to leave a lasting impression. It's a reminder that with a little creativity and resourcefulness, anything is possible.